Mexico, Peru, Colombia, Brazil, Chile, and Argentina. Since 2018, every major country in Latin America has shifted to the left. This regional trend towards socialism, often called a pink tide, is driven by widening inequality and is leading to more capital flying out of the region. Across Latin America, wealthy and increasingly middle-class investors are looking for a plan B in case of more economic and political upheaval. Initial data from the Institute of International Finance shows a capital outflow of $137 billion from the 5 largest economies in the region last year. That's 41% higher than the 2021 figure and the most since 2010. Although no one tracks where the money is going, popular destinations include the Dominican Republic, Panama, Spain, and the US. Mexican investors have spent more than $774 million on Spanish real estate and construction since 2020, and Colombians have bought as many as 500 Panamanian properties in just the past few months. But no place has felt the impact more than Miami. The city's history and development are so interwoven with its neighbors to the south that it's often referred to as the capital of Latin America. Colombians alone bought 1,222 properties in the Miami area last year, marking a 30% increase from the previous year. Meanwhile, about 40% of Chile's nearly 200 family offices have a foothold in the US, primarily in South Florida. Each is investing $30 to $40 million a year stateside, mostly in real estate. But while places like Miami might be reaping the benefits of this increasing investment, capital flight poses important challenges for Latin American economies.
On the one hand, as money flows out of these countries, their currencies weaken, which means more inflation pressures. That, of course, means further hardship for the population, which is already suffering the consequences of a jump in consumer prices. And capital flight can also mean less investment. That money that could have been used to expand a factory, for example, or buy real estate in these countries is instead leaving. Less investment over time has huge consequences on the economic growth potential for these economies.